आज स्टार्ट प्रोफेसर, कैसा लग रहा है बाबा आपको? ठीक लग रहा है? अब शराब नहीं पीना है, पक्का वादा करके जा रहे हैं?
Hello medicos, welcome to UMed. Today our case is alcoholic liver disease, and today we are going to discuss about something very important which we see regularly in our society. As you already know, chronic liver disease is a huge burden on our society, and vast majority of case has been seen throughout the years. As you well aware that chronic liver disease is a chronic long progressive disorder of liver in which hepatocytes get damaged, can lead to fibrosis in the liver and can have regenerative nodules. There can be various etiology for chronic liver disease, and one of the most common etiology is alcohol abuse, and other can be viral infection in the liver, autoimmune, and can have the hereditary causes too. And also non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can be one of the reason of chronic liver disease. We have the patient in our OPD presented with pain abdomen, fever, and has blackish stool in the morning, and have the 2-3 episode of hematemesis. So we suspected that it could be due to the acute onset of chronic liver disease. Patient already told us that he was on treatment for chronic liver disease by a gastroenterologist. So this was the clinical presentation of that patient. For the examination, we examined the ascitic fluid and we percuss the patient, and I will also show how we percuss the patient to check the shifting dullness, and we also find out the signs of increased portal hypertension that could be leading to variceal bleed, as I show you. And I will also show this examination video in the end. And for the management, we took that patient into ICU. We gave him diuretics, antibiotics, and other drugs to manage that patient conservatively. Let's see the video.
This is my patient, and he's a 45-year-old severe alcoholic patient who has been suffering from chronic liver disease and having alcoholic cirrhosis. Okay, so he comes to my OPD with the features of mental confusion and have the severe ascitic fluid and have the hepatorenal liver. So I first asked about took the history of the patient, and I asked I checked for I did percussion, right, and I get the shifting dullness, right. Actually, I start percussion, it was resonant here. Then I shifted to this. I started to get dull note, right, and then I asked him to turn that side. And now I am getting resonant sound again. So it was the fluid shifting in the patient, and we admitted this patient to ICU, and we started to give the treatment. We also gave the diuretics and other conservative management we did, and today this patient is going back to home. So बाबा, how are you feeling? कैसा लग रहा है बाबा आपको? ठीक लग रहा है? अब शराब नहीं पीना है, पक्का वादा करके जा रहे हैं, नहीं पीना है, ठीक है? So I have advised him to stop alcohol abuse, and if we won't drink alcohol, then it will be more safer for us, right? Occasionally drinking is okay, but severe binge drinking is harmful. Thank you.